Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how you can freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. This feature allows you to pin important rows and columns so they stay visible while scrolling through a large spreadsheet. So, for this demonstration, I already opened a Google Sheet that contains a table with many rows and columns. What we need to do is pin this table header to be always remains visible on the sheet. To do that, let me select this cell with the client name heading. Now look to the menu bar and click on View. Then, hover over on Freeze option. From here, select up to row 5. This will pin all rows up to and including the one you selected. Once you do that, you'll notice a highlighted grayed line appearing. That means your header is now pinned. If I scroll down again, you can see the heading row remains visible at the top. Now, when we scroll to the right side of the sheet, the client name column disappears. We also need to keep this column visible all the time. To do that, select the client name cell again. Click on View and hover over Freeze. In this case, select up to column B, which will pin all columns before and including the selected one. As you can see, the entire column is now frozen and still visible even when we scroll toward the right side of the sheet. So, I hope you now know how you can freeze rows and columns in your Google Sheets.